Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to let you know the ways to update your email or phone number in Zelle. In order to update your email or phone number in Zelle, you just have to follow the simple steps. So basically what you have to do is go ahead and open up your application, and then you could go to the settings from the bottom of the screen. As you go to settings, then you could see this option as to update your information. So here you could either go ahead and update your email address or add a new one. So go ahead and follow the procedure, that is to enter your mobile number and the email address. As soon as you type in the following information, you'll be asked to enter in the verification code that will be sent to your SMS or an email. So you have to go ahead and enter that. As soon as you're done entering that, you'll be taken to the next field where you need to go ahead and then confirm it. So this way you'll be able to update your email or phone number in Zelle. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.